Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Skylar. Today we're going to be getting drunk on a Thursday afternoon out of a broken bottle. So I was also going to record the me breaking into the bottle. This, by the way, was not me, but there was too much going on. Basically, if you want to break it open, you got to smack it really hard on concrete right here. Life hack. But today's just going to be a get ready with me. By the way, if you're looking for real good makeup advice, this video is not for you. I rarely wear makeup, and the only reason I'm doing my makeup right now is for this video. And I'm gonna make other videos after it, but on the daily basis, I do not wear makeup. So when I do wear makeup, it's like the most basic look that one can come up with. If you're looking for the best ass makeup ass guru, I am not your girl. Hi. I'm not even drunk yet. This is gonna be such an embarrassing video. When I tell you I'm not good at makeup, don't think I'm lying. Right now, just right now I'm gonna put on, by the way, all of this stuff I got from Walmart, all of it. Right now I'm gonna put on Found Smoothing Primer, and the only reason I have primer is because the last rave I went to, I was like, I want my makeup to stick. So you're probably thinking, oh wow, she has primer, this is starting off well. Oh, the only reason I have primer is because I wanted my jewels to stay on. I think I'm gonna drink in between every step that I take. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my eyes before I do my foundation, because I think that is the right way to do it, so that you don't have the fallout stuff on your foundation. Hey, look at me knowing words and such. Okay, so literally this shows you guys how much I do not wear makeup, okay? This is the palette I'm using. This is the palette that I've been fucking using since high school, guys. Half the pans are missing and I don't care, because all I need is some light color and a little bit of dark color, and I fucking blend it in, and then I'm like, okay, cool. How not to do your makeup tutorial by Skylar Marie. And my friend Irene, if you're watching this, yes, this is your eyeshadow brush that you accidentally left with me, and you probably won't see for a while. I'm sorry. You know what's annoying? Okay, I'm sure every girl can relate to this. Think about how many articles of clothing that you have once built a relationship with, just for them to be never seen again after you spend the night at a friend's house. How many? Because I can't even count anymore, and I don't even know. I don't know. You girls, I don't even have to say anything more than that. You guys can relate. Like I said, this is how not to do your makeup. Drink. Cheers. I'm gonna do this dark brown right here, and I'm gonna blend the bitch out. By the way, something I really need to work on too before I get monetized is my cussing, because I think, please leave a comment down below if I'm wrong, but you can't get monetized if you say a single cuss word in your video, right? For that video, you won't make money off of it, right? Because I mean, I know I'm not monetized right now, and I have a whiles to go, but when I do get monetized, I do want to be making sure that my videos I do have up are eligible. So are you able to cuss like a couple times a video, or are you not allowed to cuss at all? Because that's something I should know. But either way, I'm just gonna try my best to stop cussing, especially since I want to be like a motivational speaker, and on my other channel it's gonna be a lot more like professional and stuff. I don't know, but then at the same time, like, you can cuss and be professional. Like, I don't know. David Goggins is one of my favorite motivational speakers, and he says fuck. So I'm like, do I really? I don't know. We'll just see where it goes. You know what? I'm going to attempt eyeliner just for the sake of the video. I don't know how well this is gonna go. I can't tell. I can't tell if that's like okay or if that's like disgusting. We're just gonna hope it's okay. And if it's not, we're gonna do like Jamie Foxx and we're gonna blame it on the alcohol, blame it on the It's because of the alcohol, even though I've only had 3 sips. It's because of the alcohol, okay? Looks like shit, it's because I don't know how to do makeup. I mean, think it's okay. Keyword, think it's okay. I should give you guys some sneak peeks on some story times that are going to be coming soon. So one of them is going to be about how I pretty much stole a car for a year. I'm not going to say much more about that story time, but I'm going to do a whole story time about it soon. And also going to do a story time about the crazy girl that relocated states with. I moved from Washington and came down here to Arizona with the craziest girl I've ever met in my life. And now I'm living with a stranger. So all is well. But I definitely, oh, guys, I have so many crazy story times coming. Like, y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know. Now I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. But before, I'm gonna take another sip. Candy that my friend made me. It says Leo Princess. And it's pink and yellow. My 2 favorite colors. My 2 favorite colors. I told her I was gonna wear it all the time. I don't know if she believed me, but I don't lie. I'm a Leo. I'm just gonna brush out my whack eyebrows. Take this little pencil I got. And I'm gonna do the other side. And then brush it a little bit. You'll see some weird angles of me today. It's okay though. It's all. By the way, is anyone else breaking out so bad because of quarantine, because of the masks? Okay, so watch me like literally learn how to do my makeup and like actually start doing my makeup and then become like, no, I'm just kidding. That's not ever gonna be like my thing. That's good enough for now. Watch me go into the bathroom and look in the actual mirror and be like, oh, this video ain't going up on YouTube. It is harder because I'm looking into my camera. I can't wait until I have more tattoos. I'm gonna do a full tattoo tag. I plan on being a tatted bitch, so stay tuned. I'm gonna do some mascara and then I'm going to do my face. We're done here. This one kind of smells like Lush. If you've been a Lush and I were to hand you something and I told you it smells like Lush, you'd probably smell it and you'd be like, yeah, that smells like Lush. And I just smelled this and that's exactly what came to mind. This So Fierce by Revlon smells like Lush. I'm a beauty guru now. Guru. Now it is time for the face. Hey guys, I'm back, still looking like a mess. Got my beauty blender wet, and I'm about to pour another glass of wine. We can get on with the show. We're gonna take this foundation that probably doesn't even match that well, and we're going to put it on my wrist, like so. And we're gonna take the wet beauty blender. We're gonna push the hairs out of my face, and we're gonna start. But it's all right. So oh, oops, I always do that. Okay, so that's good now, I think. I mean, you know you're bad at makeup when you look at yourself after you've done makeup and you wonder if you looked better before you put it on. It's because, in this scar too, it's because I cracked my head open and my chin open by riding a bike down a hill, which is also why I have a gap in my teeth. So a whole story time on that coming sometime later. You live and you learn. Sometimes you have to learn things the hard way in order to learn them. So the next thing I'm going to do on this side, I'm going to, and then if I really wanted to get fancy, I would try contouring my nose. But sometimes, because I'm so bad at makeup, half the time when I contour my nose, it ends up turning out looking bigger than it did originally instead of looking smaller. So I'm not going to contour my nose because I don't want that to happen on camera. That'd be kind of embarrassing. So I'm going to let my hair down, and I feel like I'm missing something. Oh yeah, the most important part. I'm going to put some highlight on. So this is Hello Halo liquid highlighter. So yeah, we're gonna dabble this in, and then I think that we're done, even though it doesn't look great. Don't judge me. You've been warned. You've been warned, okay? You've been warned. So and then I'm gonna put a little bit of this shit on because my lips look hella pale right now. So this is the finished look. Basically, like I said, it's not great. It's just basic. And I might have made myself look older while I was at it. I may have looked better before the makeup. I don't know. You tell me. Guys, comment below. Do I look better before the makeup or without the makeup? Also, cheers. But no, for real, like, I don't know what it is. Sometimes when I do my makeup, I'm like, okay, bad bitch. But then other times I do my makeup and I'm like, I don't know, bitch. You kind of just make yourself look old. Like, I don't know. I don't know. But maybe it's just because I'm not, like, used to my face with makeup. So that, oh, shit, oops. Another cheers. But, no, I mean, I think it looks okay. It just looks very basic. I feel like it makes me look a little bit older, which is okay. I feel like later on when I do my videos, my other videos, it will look a little bit better. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'm just being a hater right now. I don't know. Maybe I'm already drunk. Who knows? Who knows? But I told you guys I don't know how to do makeup, but this was fun. I'm glad that I got to get ready with you guys. So if you want to see more drunk videos, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you guys again. So have a beautiful day. I love you guys.